Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into Jira for your project management needs, especially in 2025, knowing how to find your sprint number is a game changer. Sprints are those short, focused bursts of work in agile methodology, and the sprint number helps you track progress, report issues, or collaborate with your team. Today, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can get it done in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly, it's straightforward. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and select the project you're working on. This is usually on the left sidebar. Just click on the project name to enter. Next, navigate to the Agile board. In Jira, this is often under the Agile tab or directly from your project page. Look for options like Board or Backlog. That's where the magic happens. If you're using the Scrum template, it might be labeled as Active Sprints. Now, on the board view, you'll see a list of sprints. These are typically displayed as cards or in a sidebar. Scroll through until you find the one you're interested in. The sprint number is usually part of the sprint name, like Sprint 5 feet or Iteration 2025-03. If it's not obvious, click on the sprint to open its details page. There, you should see the full identifier. Pro tip: if you're having trouble, double-check your permissions. Sometimes, admins restrict access, so reach out to your team lead if needed. Also, remember that Jira's interface might vary slightly based on your organization's settings, but these steps should work for the 2025 updates. And there you have it. That's how you find your sprint number in Jira. This simple skill can save you tons of time and keep your projects on track. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Jira tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.